welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm wearing pink again. We are going to be doing a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. So if you want to know how that turned out, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload. Hope you enjoy the video. So first off, I'm going to be starting with my eyebrows because they're not giving what they're meant to be given right now. So okay, now that I use the eyebrow gel to brush them up, I'm going to be filling them in. Now I'm going to be using an angle brush to fill in the brows. Your desired regular shape on how you fill them in is how you're going to do it right now. Okay, this is not my desired shape. I'm going to fix it and come back. So I'm done with the shaping the brows. But as you guys can see from the inspo right here, like she has really fluffy brows, and I don't have that. My brows are not full. So I'm going to try as much as I can to make it look as cool as possible. Next to go in with our concealer, like the same shade as your skin. So I'm going to blend it. Next, we're going with the brighter concealer in the middle. I haven't blended out the old concealer, just so you guys know. And I'm using the Serum Concealer by Hair Blend. It's pretty good for like a lighter shade. And I bronzed, but for bronzer I used the Murphy, I don't know what it's called, give me a second. Yeah, I used the regular Murphy palette, and it has like all the natural shade. I used this and this over here to bronze. As you guys can see, it's glowing, but also like a bronzer. So next, what I'm gonna do is, oh no, okay. We're gonna blend. We're gonna start from like the bottom. Go on to the other side. Because in the picture, I don't really bronze. But in the picture, she's pretty bronzed. So yeah, that's why we're bronzing. We're gonna go in with the lighter concealer because her under eyes are but we're gonna do that after we add a little bit of blush because she also has blush on. So yeah, I'm gonna finish blending and come back. Now we're gonna go in with blush, and for blush I'm also gonna be using the Berries and Cream Dreams Velvety Eyeshadow, which I'm also gonna be using for the eye look. You guys are gonna see it's gonna look really pretty. I'm also using it for blush. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with this pretty bright pink over here, blow it out, and then right above the bronzer is where we're gonna place it. Go again. She doesn't have a lot of blush, so I'm not gonna put a lot either. And due to that, I'm not gonna be using liquid blush. I'm just gonna be using this powder. So I do not have my loose setting powder with me, so but I do have white powder, so I'm going to be using a little bit of that to just set my face, because her face is pretty matte and not like a glowy look. So I'm going to set my face with the white powder. And now you guys can see the difference, like it's pretty matte over here, and then it's like glowy over here. But this is like the consistency we want for the face. Now that our base is pretty much done, we're gonna be doing the eye look now. So I can see from like the picture, she has like a red eyeliner, a very sharp one, and she has like pink, a little bit of pink. So I'm gonna do the base because I think you can see a little bit of like really bright pink under the red. I'm gonna do that first, and then we're gonna do the red, and then we're gonna do the baby pink. So yeah, I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. You don't watch me do it. Again, we're gonna use this, and we're gonna go in with the brighter pink, blot a bit, and then for this shade, since we don't want it to show a lot, we're not gonna be using a base or a primer or whatever you guys call it. It's just gonna be like really bright pink. For the red liner, we're gonna be using this, the brightest red we can find. This is a water graphic liner, so we're gonna be using that. And I'm gonna do it because I can't do it on camera. You guys gonna see it? I'm over here like trying to find the tiniest brush I can find, and this is the tiniest. Like, okay, so we're gonna go in with a little bit of water. Spray that doesn't get on the screen, and then come in with our red. So I'll tell you this much, I think to heat that up. So we're gonna go back with our berries and cream. We're done with the eye look, so we're gonna do a little bit of touch up to make it like cleaner and sharper, especially for the eyeliner because hers is like sharp, and that's the goal. Make the inner corner sharp as well. Oh, I love it. My sister just brought a smoothie for me to try. Looks gross.
It has carrots, cucumbers, apples. No, just savor it first. Savor it. It's really good.
Okay, guys, as you guys can see, she has like freckles all over her face. I don't know if I should do that or if I should just call it a day. Maybe I should put like
the freckles.
tiny bits. Let me see. I forgot how to do like freckles. But let's see though. Put dots all over your face like that. I think after you do the dots, you have to leave it to dry for like a few seconds. Then you just like tap over. But yeah, I'm using mascara, by the way. I know I'm not supposed to be using mascara, but I don't have the fake freckles spray, or my eyeshadow is not going to be as pigmented as this. So the dots are there. Let's just wait for it to dry and then tap it off. I'm done. Mine's are like way darker than hers because I used black, but I guess she used brown, so same shit, right? So for lips, she has like this really nude pinkish look, but you guys, I can never do it without lining my lips. At least brown. If I can't do black, I'm gonna do brown. There we go. So there's that. And I do have like a little nude lipstick over here, but I don't know if it's the exact same shade. Okay, it kind of did something. And then she went in with gloss. And I did get this new gloss, so if you guys watched my unboxing Ipsy, I got this new pink gloss that I think it's gonna go perfect with the look. So let's see. Ah, yes. Especially my favorite gloss. Like, look at this. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with highlighter because I see she has a little bit of highlighter over here on her nose, and I'm gonna be using the Opera Signature Palette Looks. And can you close the door? And then I'm gonna go in with it. I'm gonna use a tiny brush because we don't want a lot of highlighter. With the middle shade.
The highlighter is so nice.
The shade is Rodeo Drive. So we're gonna go in with a little bit. Ugh. You know when you first have a product and you're using it for the first time, you don't want to destroy it. That's how I feel right now. So I'm gonna go in a little bit. I know you guys see that. Whoa. Look at that. And that is just the first layer. Gonna go in with that on the second part.
Well, if you're gonna copy that makeup look, you need pink mascara.
I don't have that. You guys see that though? Like, highlighter is beautiful. I'm gonna go in with a little touch of it on the middle of my nose. And just like up here. One by one. Ooh. Yes. So like my sister just said, I need pink highlighter, but I don't have that. Pink mascara. But yeah, I don't have that. So I'm gonna try to improvise. If not, then so I did find like a lipstick that is exactly the same shade as the red eyeliner that I used. So I'm thinking, why not use it as mascara, you know? So we're gonna take our eyebrow gel, put a little bit on it.
I know it. I know it.
And it's doing something. I just don't know what it is.
Oh.
Okay, I know you guys see that. Like, it's actually doing